Hector here, global artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm with the beautiful Queen of Dark.
Yakim. Hi, you guys.
So today we're going to be talking about bronzers. It's a hot topic. It's one of those things where you really don't think about when it gets to your skin tone, right?
No, you don't.
We're going to teach you all about it. Stay tuned. Talk to me about bronzers. What do you think about bronzer?
Well, there's not a bronzer in my makeup collection. I don't usually think about bronzer because there was not shade that darker enough for my skin color. So usually I would just put on a blush and call it a day. So I'm super excited for this.
And I think that's the most common thing. The misconception here with bronzer is they think that it's making you darker, and it's not about that. It's actually giving you that beautiful warmth, that flush into the skin. There's like a natural sun kiss. You know, like you mentioned, it's hard to find a bronzer for someone who's deeper skin tone. When creating these bronzers, what we really wanted to master was the undertone. Mocha Mami gravitates more to the red because we noticed that the deeper you go, it just shows up like a natural flush. So really just wanted to mimic that in the most natural way possible. So when I come back from vacation, how do I look? You know, is it like a nice, flushy, sexy look? Am I glowing from within? So that's really the goal when it comes to bronzing. So it's really just giving you that overall nice, beautiful sun kiss. I just came from vacation. You're mad that you look like me. Just kidding. Cut that part. That's what Mocha Mami is all about, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it.
Yay, I'm excited.
Dig it in.
Let's go in.
I've already prepped Yakim with Pro FILT'R foundation and concealer in the shade 498. I'm going to be using my cheek hugging bronzing brush. It's like a bigger version of the cheek hugging brush. It's going to give me like a nice, soft, buildable coverage. I like to dust a little bit off the back of my hand. I'm going to start apples of the cheek and working your way up into the temple. I'm doing a circular motion, and then to eliminate any harsh lines, I just swift back and forth. So here my goal is to make it look as natural as possible, that beautiful, flush, glowy skin, not too overdone. And I really want you to see the difference between this side and this side. So it gives you like that beautiful like sun kiss.
And it just brings down my cheekbone even more.
Yeah.
I know, this is gorgeous.
I just love the way that it looks, like natural, beautiful, flushy, glowy.
Wow. I have a bronzer now, you guys.
When you think about bronzing, it's not about contouring. It's really just grabbing those high points where the sun naturally hits. So it's giving you that depth that we're looking for and that dimension. So the apples of the cheek, and then slowly blend it into those temples. Don't forget your ears, tip of the nose, chin. I like to do like a soft wash of it on the lids. Just can look and feel very cohesive and natural. So you know, no look is complete without gloss bomb.
No, not at all.
That's like a nice touch, especially Fenty Glow. So here's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. Don't forget, if you want to learn more, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that like, leave those comments, and follow us on Fenty Beauty. Until next time.